Hi guys, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about weight loss. So a few weeks back I posted an Instagram reel on how I went from 90 kg to 53 kg, and that reel actually hit 2 million viewers right now, which is like huge for me. I'm so very excited. So if you haven't followed me on my Instagram page, please do follow me there. I post almost every day makeup and skincare related videos, and also please do subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon so that you will get notified every time I post a new video. So now let's move on to the video. I asked you guys to ask me questions regarding weight loss related, and you guys actually sent me a bunch of questions. I've written it down, whatever the major questions. So in this video I'm just going to answer everything to you. So let's get started. This was the most repetitive question: how long did it take for you to go from 90 kg to 53 kg? It actually took me around 2 years. I'm not going to lie, it was a very difficult journey, but still once I started seeing the progress, I enjoy doing this journey. So it took me around 2 years to get to where I am today. Lose 10 kg in 1 month. That is possible, but it is not going to be an healthy option, and it would not last longer also, so I wouldn't recommend doing that. Just take it very slow, because only the slow and steady process will give you a long-term result. The quick and easy method will not last you longer. So post-pregnancy weight loss and stretch mark. So after pregnancy it is difficult to get back to our original shape, but we can do it. It is possible, but like I said before, just take one day at a time. Enjoy your journey. And also regarding stretch marks, it is going to be there. Just take it as your those are like our tiger marks. It is what made us proud. We actually gave birth, so even I do have stretch marks. I'm pretty proud of it actually, so I don't need to. I have not actually been doing anything to make it go away, but with time and years it actually fades, but it is not going to clear out, but it will fade away. The next question is intermittent fasting healthy? Of course it is healthy. You can Google all the health benefits from intermittent fasting. You yourself will get to know what are the benefits of doing this type of fasting. How to reduce belly fat? This can be done only with exercise, that is doing a lot of ground and ab exercises. Try to do at least 20 to 30 minutes of workout every day, at least for 4 to 5 days in a week. So that will surely help you lose your belly fat. How to gain motivation? After my son was born, for 7 months I was very huge. I was actually 88 to 90 kg at that time, and even going up and down the stairs made me like go out of breath, and it was very difficult. I knew something was not right within me. I wasn't feeling confident, I wasn't feeling healthy. I did not even like to step outside the house because I did not like to dress up. My skin, everything was feeling very dull and dehydrated, and I seriously did not like the way I looked. I wanted to change everything about myself. I wanted to get healthier. I wanted to be fitter, at least for my kids. So that's when I started this journey. Substitute for sugar. There's actually a product called Stevia. You can try that. It is available on Amazon. I did not like the taste, but some people actually say it is good, but it is a good substitute for sugar. It is a no calorie product, so you can just try it out. As for beginners, what I did was I just used to search random videos from YouTube. I just type in ab exercises, 20 minutes workout. If I am totally not in the mood to do ground exercises, I just say 20 minutes of standing workout. So that's what I used to do. I just go type in YouTube and do all sort of random exercises. My favorite YouTuber in fitness is Chloe. I love her exercises, so you can also just check it out. I will leave her details down below in the description box. You can check it out. It is actually 10 to 15 minutes maximum, so it is very good, and all our exercises are very effective also, especially for abs and those stubborn fat muscle, no. So it is very good for all those things. Time with baby. I have a 7-month-old baby and 2.5-year-old kid. So I too had a 7-month-old baby when I started this, and I too had almost 3.5 year. My daughter was also there. But all these are just excuses. If you want to lose the weight, then you should only put in some effort to it. So just switch on the TV, let them play, put some toys around them, and you can just exercise right next to them. You don't have to go to a separate room to do that. Just 5 to 10 minutes in a day, that is more than enough to just start with. Best time to work out. There is no such thing as best time to work out. Just do it in your own time. For what I say is, do not work out right after you had your lunch or your dinner. Do it before you eat, so that while you do your ground exercises, it will be much more easier and convenient. So moving on, hypothyroidism, weight loss. I have hypothyroidism. I've been diagnosed with the thyroid for the past 8 to 9 years. Before actually right after I got married, I was diagnosed with the thyroid. So just take your medication and eat healthy, and it is not going to affect your weight loss or anything. It is going to be slow, because those people who have thyroid, usually the process will be very slow, but still you will do it. There are so many people out there who have actually reached their goal with hypothyroidism, including me. So if I can do it, surely you can do it as well. Pregnancy tummy, how to reduce it. Like I said before, just go into YouTube. There are so many people who are doing exercises. Just type in your query, and you will get a bunch of videos regarding it. Just follow it. How to stay away from junk. Have a strong willpower, and every time you go next to junk, just remember that you have to lose the weight. And if you are just craving for junk, then take it, but do not have it regularly. Once a week or twice a week, it's enough, but don't make it a habit. Yes, water fast helps. I will not recommend any kind of water fasting or long time fasting. It is there are people who have done it, but it takes a lot of experience, and immediately if you're going to do water fast, it is not healthy for you. So I personally do not recommend it. Working out during periods. So this is actually you can do it if you are comfortable working out during your periods, then absolutely you can do it. But as for me, I think our body needs a break during those days. So I take a break 1 week. I do not do any kind of workout during those days. Will mangoes make you gain weight? All the food items it's not going to make you gain weight. You can actually eat anything and everything, but it should be in a moderate level. If you eat one full mango, it is going to make you gain weight because it has lots of sugar. But if you're going to take just a piece, one or two pieces of it, then it's absolutely fine. Is 16:8 intermittent fasting effective? Yes, I have been doing 16:8 for the past 3 years. I also include 18:6 as well. But if you are a beginner, 16:8 is a really great method to start your intermittent journey. How to maintain weight loss journey. So, like I said before, intermittent fasting is a lifestyle. I am not going to stop doing intermittent fasting. It is 3 years, and I love the last 3 years what I have been doing because I can still eat everything and I still can lose weight. So, this is how I have been maintaining my weight. So I think intermittent fasting is the only solution if you want to maintain your weight. If not, you have to have a balanced diet and exercise. You have to work out really hard if you want to maintain your weight. Easy steps for intermittent fasting. I will do a separate video on intermittent fasting soon, and also if you are very new to the concept of intermittent fasting, you can start with 12:12. That is, you can eat for 12 hours and fast for 12 hours. If you start, you're going to finish your dinner by 8 o'clock. Do not eat anything for the next 12 hours. That is till next day 8 o'clock. That is going to be like your fasting time. Slowly you can increase the timing. Now it's 12:12, then you can do 14:10, and then 16:8. So gradually you can increase it. Beginner's tips for weight loss. So I already have a video regarding this. You can check that out. I'm planning to do updated one very soon. Thing is, you have to keep yourself hydrated. Drink lots and lots of water, at least 4 to 5 liters of water per day, and try to control on junk and sugar, because that is the main thing that is going to build up all the stubborn fat inside you. So try to avoid those things. And this is my personal opinion. I'm not actually suggesting this out, but if you want, you can take this tip. I try to avoid all sort of white food, that is white rice, idli, dosa, puttu, all those things, because I think for my body it is actually making me gain weight. So every time I eat white food, it actually makes me put on some weight. So I try to avoid those things. So do what works for you. You can actually experiment with this. Like this video, I think I made it useful. So please do subscribe to my channel and like and share. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.